everybody. Today for math, we're going to be talking about circles, all about the shape that is a circle and what it looks like and how many sides it has, what kind of line it's made up of. So we're going to get started by listening to a little song all about circles.
Round and round and round again. I have no beginning, I have no end. Round and round and round I go, with no straight lines and one closed curve. Oh yeah. From the center, all points are the same. See if you can guess my name. I circle like the wheels on a car. Turn, 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 oh I go so far. I'm a circle like the shape of a pizza. Good, how I love to eat you. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. Round and round and round again. I have no beginning, I have no end. Round and round and round I go, with no straight lines and one closed curve. Oh yeah. From the center, all points are the same. See if you can guess my name. I'm a circle, like the wheels on a car. Turn, 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 oh I go so far. I'm a circle, like the shape of a pizza. Good, how I love to eat you. I'm a circle, yeah. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I'm a circle.
All right, that was all about the shape of circles. So I'm going to pull up your workbook page for today. It's your first math page in your packet. Looks like this. It says 9.1 at the top. I'm going to give everybody a second to get that out and get your name on the top. All right. First thing I want you to do, this side of our page says
circles.
All right, so I want to see if you can draw me a circle on this side of the page. Give you a minute to draw a circle. And then this side says
not circles.
So on this side, I want you to draw me a shape that is not a circle. This side we drew a circle. Draw me something on this side that is not a circle. And then you can turn to the inside to the next page. Alright, we're going to go on this page. We're going to go on a little circle hunt, okay? So every time in this page you see a shape that is a circle, I want you to put an X on it. With your pencil, an X, you just slant down, slant across. So let's see how many circles you can find on this page. I'll give you just a minute to do it, and then we'll check and see if you found them all. All right, let's see how many you found. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 circles on this page. So check and make sure you found all 4 circles that were on this page. And then let's flip to this page. You're going to use your crayons for this page. This little picture of a man running, and some parts of his body are made up of circles. Some are squares, some are rectangles. So I want you to get your crayons and I want you to color every shape on his body that is a circle. Only the circles. Don't color squares or rectangles, just circles. I'm going to go ahead and give you the directions for the back, and then you can come back and finish if you need to. On the back, I want you to find the shape in this row by the red apple that is a circle and put an X on it. And then down here at the bottom, I want you to draw me another circle and color it. Alright, and we'll talk more about circles and what kind of lines they have tomorrow. Alright, I'll talk to you later.